Modified exhaust systems serve no purpose other than to create fear, chaos, and intimidation.
Shut up, bitch!
Follow on wastegate behind them, see how this goes. Oh, so the Honda's trailered. They trailered a Honda out here to race a full interior BMW. It's a V16. With a little guy on it. Some slicks. H-pattern. Putting the skinnies on the back. Oh shit! No back bumper. Oh, excuse me, my bad. This is yours, right? Man, going all out for me. How heavier than this? Woo. How much this thing weigh?
I've never weighed it, but it should be like 22.
22? Okay. Hell yeah.
Yeah, those skinnies coming around that corner, brake distance, that's why I'm taking those off.
Yeah.
It handles way better with the actual full-size tire.
Are you going to have a passenger?
Probably not. I mean, I could. Are you going to have anybody with you?
I can. We could just have a passenger and have somebody count it off.
Yeah, that's fine.
You know, if you want to do that. Because I'm going to have a hard time hearing you if you're open downpipe like that.
Yeah.
You know, so.
I can't hear anything.
Yeah, me neither. I had a twin turbo Malibu in the shop earlier today on the dyno, and it was fucking open header right past the firewall, and fucking destroyed my eardrums, dude. So, yeah, little bitty things on the back.
Easy at 20 I ever made in my fucking life.
Oh, motherfucker, we're fucked now, ain't we?
You are.
I told you, Jake.